ride seems absolutely massive, really. In reality, I've not checked on the heights, but it's probably not too dissimilar to Fusion, but you kind of get deceptive Fusion because you've got the bridge right in front of you. Fantastic views up here, especially for someone like me who's terrified of heights. See the big log flume over there? I think it's called River Quest. Hopefully get to go on that later on. Here we go at the top. Enjoy the ride. Whee! Here we go. There we go. Mexico roll. And round. Woo! Really good coaster. See, that's how an SLC should feel. Didn't feel rough. It's great all the way around. Smooth as you like, 'cause it's quite old this now. It's one of the things about Flamingoland is they always run on everything on one train, so you can see there's a little bit of a queue there, despite the fact that it's not really overly busy.